Good morning, you guys. It's so many people here. It's like, oh my gosh, there shouldn't be nobody here. It was snowing yesterday. Everybody's gonna be at home. Nah, everybody here at CVS. But good morning, guys. Hit me with Shay. I am at CVS for another awesome video this week. Listen, guys, it's so crowded here today. There's so many couponers, including me. But listen. I want to put this down. If you're new here and this is your first time joining or seeing this lovely face, I am Saving with Shay and I'm here at CVS to share with you guys some awesome deals this week. There are a lot of couponers here, you guys. I'm gonna try to grab one. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as I can. So without further ado, and because we know you are already subscribed, let's go ahead and guys. So the first deal we're gonna do is on Colgate. A lot of different promos, so don't get them mixed up, cause it's gonna cost you. So this deal here are on the Colgate. They are 2 for $7.98. They're also buy 2 get back 5 with a limit of 2. Now for this, we do have 2 $3 digitals attaching. So if you want to buy 2, you would end up paying $1.98, but then you'll get back 5. So it'll make it like a $3.02 money maker. Now, if you want to get 4, which is an option too, because you know, there's always options. $7.98 times the 2, you'd pay $50.96. You'd save $6 in coupons. You'd pay $9.96, and you would get back to 10. So all 4 would be still free. So it's up to you. Do you want a $3 money maker off 2, or do you want 4 free? I think I want that $3 money maker because I already have a ton of toothpaste at home. Alright guys, so this next deal I'm going to share, I'm not really sure yet if I want to do it, but it's on the Huggies and the pull-ups. They are buy 1 get 1 50% off, and they're also spend 20 get back 10. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Huggies Snug and Dry size 2 at $13.49. I'm also going to grab the pull-ups, the nighttime ones, priced at $14.49. For both of these, it's going to come to $21.23. We do have 2 digitals for both of them. On the app, you want to make sure that you clip. That's going to bring your total down to you paying $17.23 out of pocket, but you'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. Now, I also have offers on Fetch Reward for $4.50 for the Huggies and $1 for the nighttime pull-ups. So it'll bring this down to $173 for both of them, or only 86 cents each, which is a steal. Alright, so my next deal is going to be on the Suave. They are 2 for $6, and they're also buy 2 get back 2 with a limit of 1. So for this, I'm going to grab the Suave Kids. I missed out on this deal a couple weeks ago, and I'd love to stock up on this for my son, and so we're going to grab 2 at 2 for $6. I'll be using this $2 off of 2 printable that I got from my Ip Fairy, which will bring that total down to paying $4, and then getting back the 2, making them only $8 each. Now you can always grab these as well. The larger bottles are part of the promotion as well, and these are freaking massive. I think I'm gonna do this on my other cards. They are also 2 for $6, so use that printable, pay 4, get back 2, makes these $1 a piece. I think that's a great price. Of course, if you have any hair care CRTs to stack into that, it'll make it a much sweeter deal. This next deal is gonna be on the Whole Blends. They are priced at 2 for $8. They're also buy 2 get back 2 with a limit of 1 per card. So for this, we're gonna grab 2. We'll be using this 3 off of 2 printable right here from coupons.com. Printed this morning. We're going to stack that with the digital as well for $3. So we should pay 2 and get back 2, making it absolutely free. Now the Fruities is a part of a similar promotion. It's 2 for $8, buy 2 get back 2. So we're going to grab 2. We'll use this 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. We're also going to stack that with the digital as well. So we're going to pay 2 and get back 2, making that free too. So my next deal is going to be on the check. It is spend 25 get back 10 with a limit of 1. Now for these the bamboo ones do work for the promotion. I was gonna grab 4 of them, but they only have 3, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these, again priced at $6.99. And I'm gonna also grab 1 of these right here, priced at $11.99. Okay, for these I do have a 525 CRT. I have a 4 off of 1 digital, and then I'm going to stack it with 2 of the printables as well. So you'll end up paying $8.97 out of pocket, getting back the 10, making this a $1.03 money maker. Alright guys, so this is what this transaction looks like. So I didn't have the Whole Blends attached for me. I honestly couldn't remember the order to give them. I wasn't sure if it was the Fruities should be scanned first or the Whole Blends, because sometimes the Fruities coupon will attach to the Whole Blends. And so I gave her the fruities first, so maybe that's why it didn't attach, because it always attaches for me, but it didn't today. So all my other coupons, paper coupons, all went through. There goes the $4 digital, the Colgate digitals both came off, the fruities came off. There goes the pull-ups and the Huggies, 5 off 20 CRT. I rolled $39 in extra care bucks and got back 31. Okay. Okay. And then we're also gonna submit on Fetch Reward for the diapers, getting back $5.50. So it should make it a net cost of $268 for everything here. And so yeah. So I'm at a different store and I want to do this Shea Moisture deal. It is spend 20, get back 10. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the styling gel. I got this last time, maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I actually really like it. So they're priced at $10.49. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. It's gonna come to $20.98. Now I do have still have this 6 off of 2 coupon that expired on the 18th. I'm gonna see if I can use this. If I can, it'll bring this down to paying $14.98 out of pocket, but I'll get back the 10. It'll make it $2.49 each. Now I do have a 7 off of 30 CRT I want to stack with this, which is going to end up making this free anyways. And so we're going to grab that first. Next thing I'm going to grab with this this little transaction is on the Love Beauty and Planet. They're priced 50 cents more at this store. So they're priced at $8.99 for the first one. Well, we're gonna grab 2 of these. They are priced at $8.99. I'm gonna use this Bogo coupon right here from our inserts, which will take off $8.99. So you're gonna pay $8.99 and then you're gonna get back 10, making this $8.01 money maker. So I'm gonna stack this with my hair care CRT. So we should end up paying $16.97 and getting back 20. So let's go see how this works out. So this is what this transaction looks like. I just have the Love Beauty Planet with the Shea Moisture. As you can see, I was able to use the $6 off of 2 off the Shea Moisture. There goes that Bogo off of the Love Beauty Planet, and then there goes our 7 off of 30 CRT. I rolled a total of $16 in extra care bucks, paid 97 subtotal, and got back to 20. So basically, it makes these 4 items free plus a $3.03 money maker. All right, so I just realized that I have a 4 off of 12 CRT on baby care, and I was so excited that I have to do this deal again. I'm not even sure if I have the offer on my other Fetch account, but I'm not even going to include that right now because it's still going to be a great deal. And so I'm going to grab the Huggies right here, priced at $13.49. Again, it's spend 20, get back 10. And then I'm going to run down here and I'm going to grab the pull-ups for the same price. Now, one is going to end up costing $13.49 and one is going to be $6.74. So that total is going to come to $20.23. Now, as far as coupons, again, I'm going to be using the 4 off 12 CRT right there, and then I'm going to use $2 digitals off of both of them. This should bring our total down to paying $12.23 out of pocket, but we're going to get back 10, making these only $8.11 per pack, you guys. Such an awesome deal. All right, guys, I'm not going to be able to do this deal because I am like out of coupons, but I want to share it with you guys in case you do have the coupons. And of course, in case your store does take expired coupons. So it's on CoverGirl. It is buy 3, get back 10, limit of 1, which is such a freaking awesome deal already as it is, right? And so for this, you're gonna grab the pencils down here, which are priced at $4.99. So for 3 of them, your total is gonna come to $14.97. All right, now if you can use the $3 coupon that expired, it's gonna take off $9. And then everybody's getting a $4 CRT off of CoverGirl this week, and so that'll take off another $4. So you're gonna pay $197 out of pocket, but then you're gonna end up getting back $10 in extra care bucks, y'all, making this an $8.03 money maker. I wish I still had some coupons. I feel like going home and seeing if I'm overlooking some. And so awesome deal, awesome deal, awesome deal. All right, so here is what this transaction looks like. Now I realized that I still had the rebate for the Cetaphil on my Ibotta this morning, so I went ahead and did that deal again. No extra care bucks back with it, y'all, but basically I ended up grabbing 3 of them. They're $3.69. I had $3 printable, scanned perfectly fine. I paid $2.07, and then I ended up getting back $7.50 on Ibotta. which is right there. All right. And then I did the whole blends on this deal too because I didn't want to have to worry about the digital not attaching. So I did it separately. There goes all my coupons. There goes the whole blends digital. And then I used a $2 extra care buck. And I paid $204 subtotal. And then I got back the 2 here. And then I also got back the $7.50 on Ibotta. So basically it ended up making that a $7.46 moneymaker. All right, and then this is the other transaction I did. I basically just did all the repeat deals. I was able to get the larger suave as well. Yeah. Okay, and then there goes all the coupons that I used right there. Both digitals attached. There goes the Fruities. There goes the Huggies and the pull-ups. My 4 of 12 CRT as well. For this, I wrote $29 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was 20 cents. So this one was perfect, you guys. And then I got back a total of $29 in extra care bucks. I got back 10, 2, 5, 2, 10 for this deal. And so this one ended up netting us at what, 20 cents? We paid $29.20 and we got back 29. So 20 cents, y'all, for all that stuff on the second transactions. So yeah, that ended up being a really sweet deal. So I'm gonna call it quits for today. We're gonna shoot home, give you guys a final breakdown. And so see you guys. And here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out really good, with the exception of my whole blend not attaching on one of my cards. But I forget the order that I hand them the whole blend and the Fruities, because sometimes the coupons will attach to the wrong product. And when I did it the second time, I just did them separately. I ordered some more IPs. I got the email as soon as I got home. And so I'm going to probably go back either today or tomorrow. I'll probably have that in my next video for you guys, my midweek for CVS. I did it across the board. I just didn't do it on one card. Now, 3 of my 5 situations, I did have 2 $3 digitals, but the other 2, I had a 3 and a 5. So if you happen to have the 2 and the 3, I mean, it's still going to make it a $2.02 moneymaker. Obviously, if you have 2 3s, it'll make it a $3.02 moneymaker. The pull-up and a Huggy is a good deal. I actually ended up having that on my primary fetch account as well. And for that, I got back $4.54 with the conversion difference. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not really 4,000 points is not really $4, the conversion. So it actually is like $3.17. Secondary account, it was $4.20. All right. So either way, it's still a really, really good deal. I was really hoping for there to be a rebate on Ibotta. Wait a minute. Is there a rebate on Ibotta for pull-ups? I feel like there is. Let me double check. Oh, there is one. I didn't even know. Oh my gosh. I'm going to submit that. Let me see if there's a Huggies. I doubt there's. Ooh. I bought that one. I'm going to see if the nighttime will pull up. I'm going to see if that one will. I'm gonna see if I'll get credit for this one, you guys. I'll let you know. I did get back $2. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to submit the other receipt, but I'm not gonna count that in my overall numbers just in case it doesn't reset for me. But yeah, that was kind of cool. It didn't pick up this one though. So yeah, so everything else worked out really good. That was a little $2 bonus right there because I didn't even know there was a rebate on Ibotta. So everything you see here retails $199.38. I had $118.98 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $80.40. And then we walk away with $94 in extra care bucks, $9.50 from Ibotta. Hopefully we'll get back another $2 tomorrow. $7.37 from Fetch Reward. So we got back a total of $110.87, making everything you see here free plus a $30.47 moneymaker. Now this is $15.45 in sales tax. So even after our sales tax, we're still going to be making like $15, which is cool, guys, which is just so awesome. I'm hoping Cetaphil will reset again. That will be really, really awesome because I'll just do that again and I'll order more IPs. Other than that, you guys, if you got this far into the video, in the comments, I want to know what are your 2 top items that you paid full price for before, and ever since you started couponing, you're getting paid to take. All right. I know there's probably a lot of different items that you're just like, and so I want to know what your 2 top items are. What are the items that you're just like, I can't believe I was actually paying for this. And now they paying me to take this. For me, it's going to be toothpaste. By far, toothpaste is the number one item that we get paid to take. Second is going to be, I'll probably say razors, because those are the two top items in my stockpile. Razors and toothpaste. And those are the two items I can't believe I was paying full price for. And now your girl is getting paid to take it. In the comments, what are your two top ones? I'm going to do a CVS e-card giveaway. So I'm going to pick two winners, and I'll actually probably announce the winners in our midweek CVS video for you guys, the one that I'll put out on Tuesday. We'll announce the two winners, $10 e-gift card. Let me know what your two top items are, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.